Greetings, fellow travelers and coaster enthusiasts. T5 the Traveler here with Becky the Trekkie, and it's time for another roller coaster ride. We're going to go on the flying coaster here, Manta at SeaWorld. This is 2024. We're just a couple of weeks ahead of the brand new family coaster that they're going to have out. So we might not get to that one over the next couple of days, but we will try to hit all the coasters for you. Bring you on board, point of view for the ride, and then we'll let you stick with us afterwards. We'll let you know what we think of the ride after it's over. All right, let's go. Let's go check it out. Okay, Becky, Manta. I thought she was coming down already. What do I do with my arms? Oh, I can pull this down?
Pull it down?
Yeah?
Oh! Watch out for the...
Oh, it pulls the feet down with it.
That's fine.
Okay.
That caught me off guard.
I'm in it. Are you in it?
I am.
Okay, Becky's in. This is Manta 2024 SeaWorld Orlando, and our first SeaWorld roller coaster of the year. So we just bought the annual pass, so it'll expire 1 year from today, or maybe 364 days from now.
Yeah.
Unknown. I think you get 365 days, but I'm not certain. Maybe they let you come in on that last day.
Maybe.
We might be back at that time. I guess we'll find out. Oh man, I felt a little vibration in the restraints there.
Yeah.
It's still, I feel like it's still locked in. Okay. I guess they're gonna give me a little extra heartbeat there. That's all right. And okay, right now they're lifting us up towards the sky, and oh me, oh my. Are you comfy?
Not exactly.
Feeling comfy? Uh-huh. All right, here's a little tunage. Got some music coming up right there. We're front row. And up we go. All right. We're going, Becky. We're going. We'll see how this compares. Been a little bit over a month. Oh, okay. Okay. Uh-huh. Oh, wow, this is straight nose down. Okay. Oh, head down. Hold on, everybody. Oh, my God. What was that? Wow. Ooh. Oh, man. Did not see that coming.
Not at all.
Oh, smokes. Holy smokes. Wow.
Oh, my God.
She's a runner.
Oh, wow.
She's a runner. Water! Ah!
Oh, no.
Waterfall! Another backwards loop. Here comes the helix. Uh-huh. How you feeling? How you feeling?
All the blood rushed to my head.
Yeah, I'm okay. I'm okay, but I gotta say, that headlong loop.
Yeah.
Oh, baby. She was a doozy. It really just lasted forever.
You felt like it lasted forever?
That long loop when it takes your nose down.
Oh, yeah.
I don't mean the ride. The ride was pretty quick.
Yeah, that first initial, yeah.
But the one loop, I gotta say,
Yeah.
it was there was a lot of G-forces right there.
Oh.
A lot of G's right there.
Yes, indeed.
And all right. Yep, they can lower me down anytime they're ready. Okie dokie. Up and out we go, Becky. Okay, I think I got everything. Woo! All right, Manta flying coaster here at SeaWorld. What'd you think, Becca?
I really enjoyed it. I didn't know what to expect. That first loop though, oh my goodness.
It's got a
that was something.
It's got an intense loop. I wouldn't recommend eating right before you go on that thing.
Probably, yeah.
It does have usually like an hour wait or something like that. We had one quick queue, so we used that on that one. But it does take you into that really big dive, takes you all the way down, and then you're just nose down, basically head forward, and then you roll back out of that, and then the two corkscrews, you really can't see them the way the restraints are, so you don't know if you're going left or right. That always makes it a little bit more intense for me. It was nicely themed. They got the beautiful waterfall. They had the near miss element for the waterfall. They had that water splash when you come around that that first bank, or maybe it's not the first bank, but the low bank, just over the water. And yeah, towards the end, I agree. And really, it was a nice ride, but it is intense. Don't underestimate the intensity factor on that one. Just be prepared. You're like on your chest. The little kids absolutely love these flying coasters. You just make it. They're just tall enough to get on them. They're lightweight. You know, they have no trouble. So I don't know that I would get on it back to back. I would maybe give it like an hour or so break, and then I could probably do it another time or something like that.
Morning ride, night ride, something like that.
That would be fine for sure. But definitely check it out. Don't be afraid to get on it. It's not as intense as like Nighthawk or the Batman ride at Texas, where you're backwards on your back launching and that sort of thing. But really, it's a great one. So check that one out. Big thank you to all our loyal subscribers, fellow travelers. If you're a roller coaster enthusiast, we do have several on the channel, and we'll have more out soon from this park. And we'll see you all very soon on the next video. Bye, everybody.